Alma here, and this is my Presto 22-inch ceramic griddle. It comes with this drip tray for when you're cooking bacon or sausage. All the drippings go in here. I'll show you how we're gonna take care of that, but first let me show you how you can clean it. Remove these handles by pushing here, pushing in these two places, and it's all done. It's ready to be cleaned. This is my go-to kitchen gadget when I need to cook bacon, eggs, and everything at the same time. Let's put this back together. One handle here is nice and attached. We turn it over. Temperature control goes all the way to 400. That's the max. So we're gonna start cooking the bacon right now. You can fit a whole pack of bacon on this. I'm not gonna do that right now, but I just wanna show you how nice it comes out. And also the area here is like nonstick, and it has like a diamond pattern. It's not just flat, so you don't have to be so careful with it. The edges right here don't get so hot anymore after 3.5 years, but overall it cooks everything really well. After I'm done with this bacon, we're gonna cook these pancakes. They come out really nice. And it's a large area where you can make breakfast for either a small or large family. And you can take it with you camping or just friend's house or anywhere. As long as you have a way to plug it in the electricity, you're good to go. Look how beautiful these pancakes are coming out. And now we're cooking all these over easy eggs. And we will be done in no time. This is great for people who don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen, people with small and large families. And once everything is cooked here, we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna take all these eggs out. They come out just perfect. Turn it off and you see all these eggs, all this bacon, and a lot of pancakes. It's great and it was worth the purchase.